What's going on, you guys? My name is Brandon and welcome to another episode here on All Things Bearded, where we talk about all things bearded. If you're a fan of the channel, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Doing things a little bit different today. We're doing an unboxing. So we did a poll on Instagram for a unboxing on what's coming up. Everybody voted pretty much yes. This is my wife, Alana, and you guys have something better to look at than me, so you're welcome. Pretty much she's the reason this channel exists, because she planted the thought in my head. But anyways, if you do hear any noises, just know we have 2 dogs.
2 children.
And they're
furry kind.
Yeah, they're not really good at behaving, so if you hear them, sorry. But anyways, we have something to unbox today, and Adam at HONYOCKER sent us a care package. So this is stuff that's going to be coming down the pipe as far as future episodes. So I figured we'd go ahead and unbox it together and let Alana smell it, tell you what she thinks. So Adam, thank you very much for the package, my friend.
Thank you.
Adam always does a good job at sending us stuff. Have you ever seen Adam before?
I don't think so, but I've seen so many people that you show me, and you know how I remember everybody's name.
Yeah. I'm teaching her everybody's name as far as ownership, but Adam is just a jacked up dude that smokes a pipe, and I love Adam. So Adam, shout out to you again. You get 2 of them. So Adam always sends nice little cards too. I love his handwriting. Hope this helps. Enjoy the gear. So Adam, thank you again. I'll quit saying that.
The handwritten note is always nice. It's a nice touch.
Crap. Well, we have a lot to go over. Okay.
There's a lot of stuff. You can freak it out.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, so you can hold that. We're new at this, so this might be a regular thing. This might not. We'll see. Keep on going.
So these are what?
These should be, I don't know, probably butters. Beard butters. They're beard butters from Adam at HONYOCKER, and he sent 4 of those, and he sent, cool, 3 oils. Nice ASMR for you guys again that like that with the unwrapping noises. And also, yeah, I also have the website pulled up so we can look at the scent profiles and figure that stuff out. So we'll go ahead and start. Start with this one.
Okay.
Okay, so this one I was hoping was in the package. This is Taproot from HONYOCKER, and this is amber oud, cedarwood, and black pepper.
Oh, nice.
So I'll let you smell it.
Okay.
And you can do your.
I'm the kind of person who I need to put it on my hand to really smell it.
She's not out of the
I've
bottle.
got it down. Oh, that really does smell nice.
So this one, I was really hoping I got. Yeah, it's like a real earthy kind of outdoorsy.
Did you say there's vanilla in it?
No, this one has amber oud, cedarwood, and black pepper.
Okay, cedarwood. That's sort of what
I get it in the black pepper a lot. So
Brandon is a lot better at describing the scents than me. I like to use words like, ooh, this is nice.
Yeah, but I sucked when I started, so I'm starting to get better at it. You can thank people like Dan C, Josh at Embrace the Bearded Life, Seth, all those people, Ken, Bluegrass Bearded, all those guys. I kind of watch how they did it for a little while before I started actually trying to do reviews.
So what's this one?
This one's Humidor.
Ooh.
You can go ahead and shake it up and smell it. I love his website. It's really easy to get to. So this one.
Oh, I can smell this just without even putting it on my hand, which is
spicy tobacco, vanilla, and nutty notes.
Yeah, it smells like a straight cigar shop.
Does that mean I can get a humidor in here?
And like the best cigar shop, not like a nasty one.
Notice how she just bypassed me trying to get a humidor in this office. Oh man, this is so good. Yeah, I love this.
You could just like soak in this.
Good job, Adam.
Yeah.
This one is Memoirs. That one is leather-bound books, cherry tobacco, black currant, and elegant oak.
Oh yeah, it reminds me of like a library in like the best kind of way.
The best library. Let this be a note. I know you guys can't see this, but our dogs are like actually behaving right now. So if that is a norm, I'm gonna keep doing this. That way I can get them to behave.
Yeah, I really like this one.
Ooh, that one is good. I like that one, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be hard to like pick the ones I like. So those are the same. Okay, cool. So what is that?
Oh, see, this one is unscented, which I always appreciate the unscented things. because I like to use them.
I begged for that. I was like, Adam, if I can ever get an unscented butter, I'll pay for it. It's no problem. Just let me know when it comes in. And he was like, I got you. So I'm glad he got that. So
Can I stick my finger in it?
Yeah. Go ahead. It's your world. I'm just living in it.
Oh, it is a nice consistency.
Yeah, it breaks down really easy.
Yeah.
It feels great in beer too, because I like using the butters. I hate using bombs.
Yeah, that's nice. I could use this
Smell
on
that.
my arms and stuff.
It smells just like the oil.
Yeah.
So the butters do smell like the oils. A lot of the times you can get the butters, if they have like the shea butter and stuff like that, you can really pick it up. But with HONYOCKER stuff, man, it's great. I love Adam's stuff. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I don't know what he's got planned for the year, but I guarantee you HONYOCKER ends up on the award show.
Ooh, that's an early call for that.
Yeah, but I got a lot of them right last year. Well, I only had 2. But I got one of them right last year when I started the channel.
Yeah, you knew pretty early on what it was going to be.
That was
and you
Scott.
stuck with that.
That was Scott, Bearded Coast, yeah. But anyways, so HONYOCKER definitely coming up. I'm gonna split these up though, because I don't want to do 6 different items in one video, because in this day and age, people don't really want to watch them long.
Your attention span is short.
Yeah, that's why I throw B-roll in it. They don't have to see my face as much.
A B-roll is good.
I try. I try. But anyways, this one's just a really short video, but I wanted you guys to see what we got. If you like this kind of stuff, if you want to see her again, let me know, because she's only a room away when I do the videos and we can do that. But anyways, guys, like I said, this is all we got. It's kind of quick, but you know, we're very excited. Okay, so from a female perspective before we leave, do you like all of these?
Yes, I like all of these. I really like the sort of earthy, like more natural, the non-cologne-y kind of scents, and all of these, that's for me. So if I had to pick one
So you had
out of these 3,
yeah,
that I just would be like, every time you wore, I thought, oh, that I would notice it and it's a little bit different, is the humidor.
Ooh, okay. See, I thought you were gonna go with either Memoirs or Taproot.
Yeah, well, it would be humidor, Memoirs, and then Taproot.
Just goes to show you, I don't know her as well as I think I do. But anyways, guys, I hope you did enjoy it. Like I said, this is short, sweet, to the point. No B-roll in this, but of course, for the reviews, we will have that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.
And as always,
She might see you in the next one.
stay safe and stay bearded.
There you go. See you guys.